For generations, farmers in Pakistan's Baluchistan province have battled relentless drought. Parched land and scarce water make it nearly impossible to grow crops, leaving many in poverty. But a bold solution is underway: the Kachi Canal Project. This ambitious undertaking aims to bring life to the desert by diverting water from the mighty Indus River. The canal will stretch over 350 kilometers with varying widths and depths to maximize water flow and a budget exceeding $360 million. Its initial phase alone promises to irrigate 102,000 acres, with future expansions targeting a staggering 712,000 acres of desolate land. The project involves the construction of massive headworks, regulators, and distribution channels to control and guide the water. Could the Kachi Canal transform this arid region into a thriving agricultural hub, improving the lives of thousands? Baluchistan, Pakistan's largest yet often overlooked province, grapples with a relentless water crisis. With an average rainfall of only 250 millimeters annually, drastically lower than the national average of 860 millimeters, much of the landscape is dominated by unforgiving desert. This stark reality has crippling consequences for agriculture, the backbone of Baluchistan's rural communities. Farmers struggle against the odds. Over 102,000 acres of parched land strain to yield crops, leaving families on the brink of food insecurity. Traditional farming methods that rely on inconsistent rainfall often fail, forcing many to abandon their ancestral lands and seek opportunities in overcrowded cities. The scarcity of water extends far beyond farming. Limited domestic supplies mean households rely on unreliable hand-dug wells or distant water sources, impacting sanitation and public health. Despite centuries of resilience and adaptation, Baluchistan's people face a mounting challenge. Population growth and the impacts of climate change place immense pressure on the region's already strained water resources. But amidst this hardship, a bold solution emerges: the Kachi Canal Project. This massive endeavor aims to be nothing short of a lifeline, diverting water from the mighty Indus River, Pakistan's lifeblood. The project envisions a network of canals stretching over 350 kilometers, with varying widths and depths to optimize water flow. The potential is immense. This man-made river promises to carry water to thousands of acres of thirsty desert land. Could the Kachi Canal Project truly unlock the potential of Baluchistan's arid lands, ushering in an era of water security and agricultural prosperity? To answer this question, we must delve into the intricate details of this groundbreaking initiative, exploring the ambitious engineering and careful planning behind the canal's design. Let's break down the scale. The project's main canal will snake across the land for a staggering 499 kilometers. Think of it as a lifeline stretching across a vast distance, with 399 kilometers of this Grand Canal within Punjab province and the remaining 194 kilometers traversing the heart of Baluchistan. This complex project is divided into 3 phases, with each phase bringing water to a new region of the province. The good news is that the initial phase, Phase 1, is now complete, marking a crucial milestone. Picture the starting point of this incredible journey: the Tansa Barrage. Built across the vast Indus River in Punjab province, the barrage is the control point where water destined for the Kachi Canal is diverted. It feeds into the canal's headworks, a complex network of intake structures designed to regulate water flow, the beating heart of the project. From here, the main canal unfurls through the vast landscape. This is not merely a ditch, it's a carefully engineered marvel. Its dimensions, width, and depth change strategically based on the terrain it crosses. This ensures the canal delivers its precious cargo efficiently and prevents overflowing along the way. Moreover, a significant portion of the canal is lined with concrete. This acts like a giant pipe, minimizing water loss through seepage and ensuring every possible drop reaches the farmers' fields. Controlling the flow is vital for success. Regulators, strategically placed along the canal's length, function like adjustable gates, directing the correct amount of water into specific sections of the canal's network. This meticulous water management enables efficient distribution across vast agricultural regions. But the main canal is only the beginning. A smaller network of distributaries and watercourses branch off the main artery, ensuring the water reaches every corner of the agricultural lands. This allows farmers to redirect the much-needed water to their fields, heralding a new era of reliable irrigation. Baluchistan's unpredictable weather requires foresight. Flash floods could threaten the integrity of the canal, but the engineers have anticipated this. Cross-drainage structures, designed like underpasses for excess water, cleverly protect the canal. This allows floodwater to flow naturally beneath the canal, keeping the water supply uninterrupted. The Kachi Canal project meticulously considers how to work in harmony with Baluchistan's existing infrastructure. Roads and railways, vital arteries for trade and connectivity, often intersect the canal's path. The design therefore incorporates carefully engineered bridges and crossings, ensuring these transportation links stay operational no matter the conditions. This demonstrates a commitment to seamless integration within the existing landscape. Complementing this network is the revitalization of the N70 National Highway, a crucial lifeline between Punjab and Baluchistan. This once narrow road, riddled with treacherous bends and vulnerable to landslides, severely bottlenecked trade between the two provinces. Farmers faced difficulty transporting their produce, while businesses struggled to access markets for their goods. This posed a significant constraint on the economic growth of the entire region. Then, innovation stepped in. 7 strategic steel bridges, marvels of modern engineering, were constructed, spanning a breathtaking 11.5 kilometers across the most challenging sections of the highway. These bridges conquer the rugged terrain, creating a safer and more efficient route through the mountainous landscape. This investment in transportation infrastructure directly supports the potential benefits promised by the Kachi Canal. Imagine the impact. Farmers, once restricted by the limitations of the road network, can now reach distant markets with confidence. The smooth flow of goods will stimulate commerce and boost economic activity along the route, benefiting not only farmers but also businesses and communities dependent on trade with Punjab. The N70 National Highway transformation, hand in hand with the ambitious Kachi Canal project, lays the foundation for a more prosperous and integrated future for the people of Baluchistan. This monumental project carries a hefty price tag, approximately 80.5 billion Pakistani rupees. It was initiated way back in 2002, facing delays and setbacks along the way. However, the completion of Phase 1, which alone will bring water to over 102,000 acres of parched land in the Dera Bugati district, is a beacon of hope. When completed, all 3 phases will provide irrigation to a total of 713,000 acres, transforming previously desolate regions into fertile agricultural hubs. But defying gravity is just part of the equation. Powerful pumping stations and a network of pipelines will lift water a staggering 7,000 feet above sea level to quench the thirst of the highlands. The Kachi Canal, however, is more than just an engineering marvel. It's a promise of transformation. This life-giving water has the potential to revitalize agriculture, transforming the landscape and the lives of Baluchistan's people. Farmers have diversified their crops, increased yields, and improved overall agricultural output. Imagine fields that were once barren, now flourishing with life. This translates directly into enhanced food security for Pakistan and strengthens its position as a competitor in the global agricultural market. The positive economic ripple effects are undeniable. As farmers earn higher incomes and achieve financial stability, they invest in other vital sectors such as education, healthcare, and infrastructure development. This investment, in turn, drives local economic growth and opens doors to new opportunities for employment and entrepreneurship. Imagine a ripple effect across the region. Looking ahead, the future is bright. As the Kachi Canal project progresses through its planned phases, its positive impact will continue to multiply. But sustainable growth is key. Optimizing water resources becomes paramount as agriculture expands. Farmers may adopt advanced techniques like drip irrigation and precision agriculture to maximize water efficiency and minimize waste. The Kachi Canal stands as a beacon of progress, demonstrating how tackling a fundamental issue, water scarcity, can act as a driver of economic development. This ambitious project has boosted Pakistani's agricultural prowess, transformed the landscape of Baluchistan, and improved the lives of many. And that's not all. If you found this content insightful, show your support with likes and subscriptions. Leave your comments below, and don't forget to turn on those notifications so you'll be the first to know about our upcoming videos.